got? What's up?
Yeah, I actually have a question about if someone came here illegally, they got married, and then now the president changed the law. I think they pay a fine, and then can they just get divorced and live here legally? How do they go about that?
No, no. There's no such thing as the president changed the law and you pay a fine and get divorced and live here legally. What President Obama did was he made several programs. One is the deferred action for parent arrivals that says that if you have a child here and you've been here for more than 5 years, we're gonna give you a deferred action letter, which promises a promise from the government not to deport you, and you get a work permit and a social and a driver's license. You also came up expanded DACA, deferred action for childhood arrivals. You get the same benefits, but you have to be here under 16. He made provisional waivers that if you did enter illegally and you cannot adjust your status here, that you can get a waiver, go home, and process home and not get stuck for that 10-year period. He also made another proposal for parole in place that if you're married to somebody who is in the military or honorably discharged from the military, you can adjust your status here. But there's no such thing as what I mean. There is back in the day. If you started a case before April 30th, 2001, you can pay a penalty fee. But short of that, there's no new law that says pay a penalty fee, get divorced, and get a green card. What I would suggest, Richard, is that make a consultation with us, come down and speak to us, and let's see what options you have available to you or with your friend. I don't know if you're calling for yourself or your friend. And we're going to go to Robert on 4. Robert, what's up?
Someone who is a registered nurse.
Uh-huh.
Are there provisions in America, particularly New York, where they could come and work without being asked for an SS number?
No. There's no such provision. There is an H-1C program where you can get sponsored for an H visa to work as a nurse in underserved areas, and I think there's one hospital years ago that qualified. I don't even know out in Long Island. I don't even know if they still qualify or not. I haven't heard recently or seen anything recently. Other than that, there's no such thing as nurses working here without social security numbers. No such thing.
What about schooling and your work?
There's no such thing as get a student visa and work. If you're on a student visa, you're here to go to school but not work.
Well, okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.